Bobby Stein, y'all. I'm on Highway 8, headed west towards Mentor City, Mississippi. I'm deep in the Mississippi Delta. It's a dreary day. It's Tuesday, the 14th of November. It's 12:26 p.m. and I'm cruising in the Delta. Okay, y'all, I'm in Mentor City, Mississippi. This is a beautiful little town, set off from the highway. It's like it's been lost in time. If anybody grew up here, let us know how it was growing up in Mentor City back in the 50s, 60s, and 70s. I was through here last year and I marveled at how pretty this town was. Right on the Tallahatchie River. Delta Grain Company. There's an old cottonseed oil plant. I don't know if it's still in operation. There's the Tallahatchie River. I was here last year. Y'all. Okay, so here's what's left of downtown Mentor City. It's all fenced in now. It's almost like we're in a little valley protected by trees all around. Pretty back here, y'all.